Heavy downpours have lashed many areas in southwest China's Sichuan province, increasing the risk of natural disasters and prompting local authorities to relocate thousands of people. Floodwaters have inundated 4,578 hectares of crops and damaged 204 houses. Many road sections were also disrupted because of landslides. The rainstorms have incurred direct economic losses of 176 million yuan, $27 million in Sichuan so far. Rainstorms since Friday have pushed up water levels in 14 rivers. More than 120,000 people have been affected by the flooding of rivers, with local authorities relocating over 4,600 people. Dazhou City in the province activated the highest alert for rainstorms on Sunday morning as two major rivers crossing it are at risk of flooding.